to another episode of Tiny Tidy Tuesday, the open collab hosted by the lovely Sunday Dawn. Today I'm going to be working on transferring 2 sets of food storage containers, bowls, whatever term we want to use. I generically call them Tupperware, from one drawer to the other. I want to move my glass dishes to the opposite drawer and then move the few plastics that I have left. I'm kind of trying to get away from them, but move the few that I have left over to this other drawer. I'll probably just kind of speed this process up a little and kind of show you what's going on. Right now, I'm just taking everything out of the drawers and setting it on the counter and in the floor beside me. I never know what I'm going to find when I am pulling out stuff in drawers. Things I think those fell out of the drawer above it, the junk drawer. Going to give the cabinets just a good quick wipe down. They weren't dirty per se, but dusty. That stack of stuff actually has homes in other places or is to go. So both cabinets. So that is the plastic pieces that I like to keep and use. We do have an elderly friend who does not cook for himself. Guys, you're going to see that my floor is dirty. I have not cleaned it yet. That is last on my list for the day. I will run the vacuum and then mop. So here I'm putting together this container lid organizer. I ordered this from Amazon. I'm not sure how well it's going to work, but it was pretty inexpensive, and I thought anything's got to be better than every time I open a cabinet, an avalanche of lids coming out on me. So just popping this together here. It does pop together really easily, and this is the large lid container. I believe they had some smaller ones as well, and if it crosses my mind, I'll put the link down below. Now that fits perfectly in my bottom cabinet with technically room to spare behind it if I need to store something. So I'm feeling a little less overwhelmed by all of these lids and containers now. So let's get these glass ones in their spot. Voila, there they are in their spot. The lids are down in the bottom. Of course, this cabinet is good to go. I like to have those because if they don't come back, I don't worry about it. Then it is time to clean up this mess. There's the 2 extra pieces just in case I need them later. And some weird stuff I found down there. All of that is going to go. Let me see, the bag is in the trash, the other's in the recycling. That box I'm popping in my recycling can. All cardboard goes out that way. And then those pieces don't even belong in there. And these pieces are actually going to Goodwill. Seems kind of odd for me to send odd lids to Goodwill, but I have known people that go and search for a lid to match, and then all of that stuff has homes in different places. Thanks for watching, guys. Please be sure to check out the playlist down below. See you next Tuesday.